Hello, this is Dr. Tarun Kumar Patel, Assistant Professor Biotechnology from Sant Guru Ghasidas Government PG College, Kurud, District Dhamtari, Chhattisgarh. Today we are going to discuss about a topic computation of mean, variance and standard deviation. This topic is useful for MSc Biotechnology, second semester, paper 5th, Biostatistics, Bioinformatics and Computers in Biotechnology, Unit 3. Second topic, computer-oriented statistical technique. Let's see the basic introduction about mean, variance and standard deviation. Mean or arithmetic mean is average of a given set of data, or it can be defined as the quantity obtained by adding together all the given items and by dividing this total by the number of items. It is denoted by symbol x bar. It can be represented by a formula x bar equals to summation x divided by n, where x bar represents mean, x represents value of an item, and n the total number of items. Whereas the variance is the sum of squares of differences between all numbers and their means. Or it can be said as average of the square difference from the mean is variance. Its formula is summation x minus x bar whole square divided by total number of item, which is represented here as n. Variance is symbolically represented with sigma. Standard deviation. Standard deviation can be defined as the positive square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of the deviations of the given observation from their arithmetic mean. Alternatively, standard deviation is square root of variance. It is basically a measure of extent to which data varies from the mean. It can be represented by the given formula as under root summation x minus x bar whole square divided by total number of item. Let's see how we can compute all these three things: mean, variance and standard deviation using computer oriented technique. Here I am presenting the computation of mean, variance and standard deviation using Microsoft Excel program. At first, choose a set of data to be processed. Here I am taking an hypothetical example of length of 10 leaves. The data of 10 leaves is represented here in a tabular form. Now I have entered the label mean, variance and standard deviation to represent their respective result below the data table. Now to calculate the mean value of given data, select the cell besides the label mean, then go to formula bar, then choose more formulas, then move to statistical, then select the formula for mean, which is represented here as average from the list, and choose the average formula. On selection of the formula, a menu of function argument will open. In the function argument, fill the numbers by selecting the entire set of data from the table, as here the data range is selected from D8 to D17. After filling up this number, click on OK button. On clicking the OK button, the computed result of mean will appear as here you can see the mean value is computed as 5.77. Similarly, for the computation of variance, select the next cell besides the label variance. Now go to formula bar, then move to more functions, then go to statistical, then select the formula for variance, which is represented here as var dot s from the list. Select this formula. On selection of this formula, a menu of function argument will open. In the function argument, similarly fill the number as previously described, as here the number range is D10 to D17. Now click on OK button. On clicking the OK button, the computed result of variance will appear. As you can see here, the variance is computed as 0.15. Now, similarly for the computation of standard deviation, select the cell beside the label standard deviation. Now go to formula bar, then move to more function, then statistical, then select the formula for standard deviation, which is represented as stdev dot s from the list. On selection of the formula, a menu of function argument will appear. In the function argument, fill the numbers by selecting the entire set of data from the table, as here the data range is from D8 to D17, or you can manually fill these uh, values of the data. Then click on OK button. On clicking the OK button, the computed result of standard deviation will appear, as here you can see the standard deviation is computed as 0.39. In this way, anyone can easily compute mean, variance and standard deviation using the predefined formula available in the Excel sheet. Alternatively, anyone can create their own formula, can also be applied here.